Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to unhide apps from iPhone. If you're looking for a quick and easy guide on how to unhide apps on your iPhone, you're in the right place. Whether you've accidentally hid an app or simply can't find it anymore, this tutorial will help you get those apps back in just a few simple steps. So let's get started. First things first, if you can't find it in your app gallery, it might not actually be deleted but hidden. Apple has a feature called App Library that stores apps that aren't on your home screen. To access it, just swipe left all the past way your last home screen page. In the app library, you'll see all your apps neatly organized into categories. If you see the app here, simply tap on it to open it. Also, you can use the search bar to search for the app that you're searching for. You can also search for the app using the spotlight search like this. Simply swipe down and simply search for the app that you're searching for. Now, if you cannot find it, what you can do is simply swipe left again and here scroll down. As you can see the hidden section, tap on it. Here you'll find all the hidden apps that has been hidden by you or mistakenly. And that's it. This is how you know how to unhide apps on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.